What if you could have flagship-level power and a featherlight smartphone that fits in your pocket? Introducing the Motorola Edge 70, ultra slim, lightning fast, and built for the modern go-getter. Feast your eyes on a 6.67-inch POLED display, gorgeous, sharp, smooth, with 120 Hz refresh, HDR10+, and up to 4500 nits brightness. Every scroll, video, or photo pops, even in bright sunlight. Under the hood, Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 plus 12 GB of RAM plus up to 512 GB of storage, multitasking, gaming, streaming, all handled with ease. Capture every moment with dual 50-megapixel rear cameras, wide and ultra-wide with OIS, plus a 50-megapixel selfie camera, crisp photos, sharp video calls. Battery life? 4,800 mAh silicon carbon cell gives you full-day power. And when you do recharge, 68-watt wired or 15-watt wireless charging gets you back to 100% fast. Built tough. Aircraft-grade aluminum frame, Gorilla Glass 7i, and durability certified to withstand water, dust, and daily wear, IP68, IP69, plus MIL STD 810H. Creators and content lovers? Shoot 4K video, selfie shots, or capture life in rich detail anywhere, anytime. On the go? Its lightweight, ultra-slim body makes it effortless. Slide it in your pocket or purse and go. Heavy user or traveler? Battery plus fast charging plus robust connectivity have you covered for all-day use. Work from home or on the move? With responsive performance and smooth multitasking, it's ready for productivity and entertainment. Slim, smart, powerful. Meet the smartphone that doesn't make you compromise. The Motorola Edge 70. Get yours and step into the next generation of mobile.